You should.
All right. Okay, so all those who are watching me, I think everybody knows that I'm an engineer, and I like to mostly I work on web development, and I like to face challenges. I look forward to challenges, and I believe that these challenges pushes me out of my comfort zone and brings the better out of me. So I keep looking for those, and I think I feel they keep me they keep the boredom away from my day-to-day work. So I just love to face a new problem. So so this story is about one particular case that happened recently, when and I'm going to talk about share more about that. So in our work, we talk directly with the client, and we discuss about their pain points. And in such discussion, in one of the call, the client just mentioned one pain point, one idea, that it was like a wild thought at that time. And all of us who have had a call with a client might have that experience where client mentions something huge, and you are thinking, okay, we'll see when we'll get to it. So we'll just park it, but we'll see how this will happen. So we just park it, and we kind of forget about it. So something similar happened with this ambitious project, and it was around the mid 2020, and I just created a note of this issue. But slowly, after a few months, as we were reaching towards the end of 2020, things started to take some speed, and the client wanted this more and more. So we started having the discussion. More clarity started to build, and now we had after some discussion, we had come up with a plan of what actually we need to build. And with the start of the new year 2021, the client gave the approval, and we had to move forward with the solution. So it was all good. It was a new feature. I was excited, but since it was such a big feature, I decided that I'll go with creating a small prototype, and we'll show it to the client and see how the client responds to it. It was a complex piece, so even the prototype took several weeks to get to be completed. And it tested me thoroughly, and after that, but I was able to complete it in a few weeks. So finally, it was the demo day, and I had to present that prototype to the client, and the demo went great. The client said, I just loved it, but there is one thing that I'm concerned about. And he shared his concern, and I don't want to go into the technical details, but to compare, it was like the client in the start wanted to travel from Gurgaon to Tehri, and we built him a car, and now he wants to travel via air. So I was like, what? I don't, you want to travel by air? And I was shocked. It was in a call, and I was thinking, what's happening? All those thoughts were coming, like the effort I had put in understanding and coming up with this solution, all that will go in vain. So I was just, all those thoughts were running through my mind, and I somehow gathered myself, and I took a deep breath. And one of the previous story club session came to my mind, where it was on saying yes to the difficult task, the task that you can try to say yes even if you don't believe in it, and then make it happen. So that just came, and I said, yes, you want an aircraft, we'll see how that can be built. And I said okay, and the call went on. And once the call was finished, I came back and I checked my notes. And as I was checking the notes, I was trying to come up with a different solution. I figured out how bad that yes had turned out to be, and I was thinking I shouldn't have said that. I could have tried for a workaround. And I'm thinking how now the thoughts that are coming are like, we built this relationship with client. It took years to build this trust with the client, and all that thing can get shattered if this piece doesn't get delivered. And all the expertise that we have created in front of our client, it will be nowhere if this feature is not delivered correctly. So I was very those were very dreadful thought, and I was just thinking what to do now. So I just gathered my courage and I thought about the person who gave the yes mantra, and I typed a message to Pradeep that Pradeep, I got into a situation and can we connect? So we talked about it. I explained the situation, and before the call I was thinking, if I get lucky, I will probably get one expert alongside me, and he or she will guide me and we'll complete this. But once the call was completed, I didn't get one, but I get 4 experts to work on that feature. And suddenly just knowing that these heavyweights are in my team just gave me the confidence. So before the call I was thinking how to just get the requirement done, and after the call I was thinking about how to propose more features like this to the client, and where we can create more opportunities like this. So just one call just changed the perspective, and after that we formed a group. And once that group thing, we decided for weekly calls and started making progress towards completing the issue, completing the feature. And in the start I didn't know how to what will be the next step, and in the first call we discussed and we created a full roadmap of how we will proceed to creating this. And just after the first call I was like, my confidence was on the sky, and I was like, this can be, I'll complete this in just a week. And but that didn't happen. And only on the next call I came back to the group. I said I'm frustrated about this. I felt I had championed it, but the very next week I was like, no, this is not my cup of tea. I need to get out of this. And the group again, they listened to me, and it was like magical. They just talked like, they asked simple question and we figured out the solution for which I was scratching my head for many days. So it was crazy how what I was thinking it like a rocket science, and they just figured out the solution with just a common question. So it was an amazing experience when that happened. And it took ups and downs. Some weeks went well, some weeks went tight, but after a few weeks we were able to complete that feature and deliver it to the client. And not just that, we also proposed them a list of other areas where the similar aircraft can be launched. So we just didn't deliver the feature. We gave them more opportunity, and yeah, that's how I was able to overcome this challenge just by sharing my vulnerabilities with the team. So yeah, that was my story. Thoughts, feedback.